Similar to that issue is the evidence in the affidavit sworn by Arnold Oginga at page 4 to 13, where he highlights discrepancies in the Forms 34A issued to the petitioner's agents and the ones uploaded by the first respondent, sorry, not the first, the IEBC, in the public portal. Arnold Oginga sampled polling stations, 25 polling stations in Baringo, 15 polling stations in Nairobi, and he finds the same results as Celestine Onyango, where a total of 1,570 votes are added to the votes of the first respondent, William Samoei Ruto, that are not borne out by the original Forms 34A issued to the agents. From the affidavits or the evidence of Celestine Onyango and Arnold Oginga, we conclude or find that the total number of votes deducted from the first petitioner and added to the first respondent is 4,463 votes. The second issue that I will deal with, my lady, is issue number 4, which is whether the postponement of the gubernatorial elections in Kakamega and Mombasa counties, parliamentary elections in Kitui Rural, Kachaliba, Rongai, and Pokot South constituencies, and the electoral wards in Nyaki West in North Imenti constituency and Kwanjenga in Embakasi South constituency resulted in voter suppression to the detriment of the petitioners in petition number E005 of 2022. The evidence that we rely upon for this is also in the affidavit of Celestine Onyango, Arnold Oginga, and the affidavit of Ezra Sunguti, who was an agent of the petitioners in petition number E005 of 2022.